So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix BlueStack 5 blurry or pixelated screen. So guys, to fix the blurry or pixelated screen on the BlueStack 5, so you adjust your display resolution, increase the pixelated density DPI. So guys, first of all you change the resolution. So for changing the resolution, first of all open your uh, BlueStack, then go for the option of settings. In the settings section, guys, here you see the option of graphics. In the graphics, you simply go here, sorry, display, and guys, here you see we have the multiple display resolutions. So you also change your resolutions. Then guys, you change your pixel density. So guys, here you see changing the pixel density may the affect the gameplay experience of some game. So guys, if you comfortable with the low DPI, so it help you to run smoothly your system and game also. Okay, otherwise set it to the 240. It is a medium DPI. Okay, then guys, uh, if you want to get more settings, so guys, you try to check graphic and render adjustment. For this, here you see the option of graphics. So guys, here you see if you are graphic render is this is my OpenGL, it is recommended, but if you want with OpenGL, so you just select it. And interfere render, so guys, if you with the software DirectX, any of them you use, so you use, otherwise you select it to the auto. Then we have the GPU in use. So currently my GPU is Intel IRS. So this is the graphic card that is used, and I am turn it on also. Okay. So these are the things that you can do to fix this issue. And guys, still having the issue, so guys, you uninstall your uh, BlueStack and download it again. And guys, sometimes the problem is also with your low specification. So guys, if you have less than 8 GB RAM, so guys, try to upgrade and then enjoy your BlueStack on your system. So guys, these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe.